Okay, good afternoon, and today let's continue to learn Unit 33 that talk about kinds of paintings. And as you know, every our lesson at the first time we have to learn all the keywords. So let's go to the keyword page. Okay, so the first keyword we learn about the word artist. And this is an example. Artists create many different kinds of paintings. And the second keyword, we learn the word painting. A picture made by putting paint on a canvas or board. And the third keyword, we learn the word landscape. Some artists like to paint landscapes. And we also learn the word scenery. The most important thing in a landscape is the scenery. And we also learn the word still life. The objects in a still life do not move. And we also learn the word portrait. A painting of a person is called a portrait. So portrait is a painting of a person. And the last one, we learn the word self-portrait. A self-portrait of the artist himself. So please try to remember all these keywords like the word artist, painting, landscape, scenery, still life, portrait, self-portrait. Okay, now continue to the next page. Okay, so in this page we will read all the sentences. So please try to read, follow it together carefully. Okay, let's get started.
Artists create many different kinds of paintings. Some artists like to paint landscapes. The most important thing in a landscape is the scenery. It often includes the land, the trees, the sky, lakes, and rivers. The weather, season, and time of the day are also very important. Some artists like to paint still lifes. The objects in a still life do not move. That is why it is called a still life. To paint a still life, an artist has to prepare the objects to paint. Still lifes often include fruits, flowers, and other small objects. Paintings of people are other common works. A painting of a person is called a portrait. A self-portrait is a portrait of the artist himself.
Now, after you read all the sentences, let's continue to look at the picture together. In this page, we can see 4 pictures that want to talk about the paintings. And we can see the picture that paint about the landscape and the picture that paint the still life and the picture that paint about the present. So we have different picture. So the picture that paint about the person we call portrait, and the picture that paint about a thing that cannot move, like the bottles, the fruit. So we call that picture is still life. Okay, now continue to the next page. Okay, so in this page we will answer all the questions about Unit 33. So question 1. What is the passage mainly about? Is it A. Different types of paintings? Is it B. People favorite paintings? Is it C. Portraits and self-portraits? So we have three answers, but the most important idea of the passage is only one. So which one that you think is the correct answer? Okay, so the correct answer is letter A, different types of paintings. Now question 2. What is a self-portrait? A painting of something that does not move. B. A painting that shows the artist himself. C. A painting that shows outdoor sceneries. So, what is the correct answer? We also have three answers, but we have only one answer that is correct. So, what is the correct answer? Okay, so the correct answer is letter B. Okay, so self-portrait is related to a painting that shows the artist himself. Now question 3. What does object mean? A. It means pictures. B. It means things. C. It means pens. So what does object mean? So what is your answer? Okay, so please remember the object, yes, it means the thing. Now question 4. According to the passage, which statement is true? A. A landscape often includes fruits and flowers. B. A still life is a picture of the artist himself. C. A portrait shows a person in a painting. So we also have three sentences. So which one that you think is the correct answer? Okay, which statement is true? A landscape often includes fruit and flowers. A still life is a picture of the artist himself. A portrait shows a person in painting. So which one that you think is the correct answer? Okay, so the correct answer is letter C. Yeah, the last one, letter C. A portrait shows a person in the painting. Okay, now continue to the next page. Okay, in this page number 5, complete the outline. Okay, so we have the outline about the kind of painting. And the first outline about landscape. A painting of A, like the land, the trees, the sky, lakes, and rivers. So letter A, What word should you write in here? Okay, so landscape, a painting of sceneries like the land, the trees, the sky, lakes, and rivers. Now the outline about still life, a painting of bees that do not move like fruits and flowers. So letter B here. What word should you write in here? Okay. And now about the outline about portraits. A painting of A. C. Right here. What word should you write in here? Okay. Now continue to vocabulary builders. Write the correct word. So we have 4 pictures, and the first picture, look at the first picture. So what can you see? Okay, you can see the river, yep, some flower and the tree, the sky, right? So right here, a picture of the sceneries. So number 1, yeah, picture 1. What word should you write in here? Okay, so landscape. And picture 2. So we can see some trees and waters. That is a river, right? So a view of natural feature. So picture 2. What word should you write in here? Okay, now picture 3. So what can you see? Picture 3. Yes, we can see flowers. Yeah, flower in a bottle. So right here, a painting of objects like fruit and flowers. So what word should you write in here? Okay, now the last one, picture 4. Okay, picture 4, we can see a painting that paint about a person, right? We can see a person. So right here, a painting of a person. So a painting of a person. What word should we write in here? Okay, look at this. Yeah, a painting of a person. So what word should you write in here? Okay, so we call portrait. Portrait is a painting of a person. Okay, now congratulations. Now we finished unit 33, and please try to study by yourself at your house and try to remember some keywords like the word landscape, still life, scenery, portrait. So please try to remember and try to take care of your health. Please wash your hand before you take something to eat. Okay, thank you for your watching. Goodbye.